Hi guys, in this video I'll show you a complete process of how you can use Google AI Studio and what features are basically in there. So first of all, just open a browser inside your laptop or PC, and I'm using Chrome, so just search here Google AI Studio. And once you search Google AI Studio, so you will basically see this website, aistudio.google.com. You can just open the sponsored results or the official website from here as well. And once you're here, just go to the home section, and once you're inside the home section, so you will see multiple features. As you can see, what's new basically, you can use Gemini 3 from here, you can use Nano Banana Pro from here, text to speech with Gemini, and VEO3 as well. Like these are the new features that are currently being used inside the Google AI Studio. Now let's say you want to like use Gemini 3, you want to use Nano Banana Pro, or you want to use VEO3 depending on your requirement. Let's say I want to go with the Nano Banana Pro feature, so just click on this one. And to use this, you must have a plan or like paid API key. So just click on it, and I will select my paid API key, which I have in my case. This only gives you like limited free generation, but if you have a paid key, you can use like generate multiple images or whatever you want to use. So as you can see, just write the prompt. Let's say a sailor in the ocean at midnight. You can just enter the prompt, and you can just change the aspect ratio, let's say 16:9, resolution 1K, 2K, 4K, whatever you want to select. Just click on run, and that will start generating. And you can also play with advanced settings. So that's just the nanobrana. If you want to use some other features, let me just again open the AI Studio. Just click on this link, and that will directly take you to this page. So you can use, as you can see, Gemini Pro, Nano Banana Pro, like videos, whatever you want to use. Just go to the home feature, and once you click here, you can see, let's say you want to generate VO3, just click on this feature. And once you click here, as you can see, this is basically VEO Studio. So just click on text to image, just enter the prompt, whatever you want to enter. Let's say you want images to video, just change this one, enter the reference image. You can also click reference to video. Basically, this will add your reference character, and this is basically image to video. So you can use or select whatever your requirement is. And after that, as you can see, this gave us pretty good result. Let me just open it. The quality is amazing and everything seems perfect. So that's a simple and easy process of how you can use it.